The question says what mass of N2H4, this is what hydrogen, NH2, NH2, this is the chemical formula we have, N2H4, okay, can be oxidized to N2, okay, by 24 gram of K2CrO4, strong oxidizing agent is there, which is reduced to CrOH whole 4 power minus, okay. Equation is ready. First of all we write down the equation, okay. We have N2H4. N2H4 is undergoing oxidation reaction converting into nitrogen gas, okay, and this is oxidized by K2CrO4 is there, K2CrO4, okay, K2CrO4 oxidizes N2H4 converting into N2, and it itself undergoes reduction reaction converting into Cr, and it is OH whole 4 and minus is there. Very interesting. Reaction is ready, okay. Now we have to calculate the mass of N2H4, okay, and the data is given 24 mass, okay, 24 mass of K2CrO4 is given there, 24 gram is there, 24 gram is there, and mass for this substance is to be calculated, okay. So we can apply the concept of equivalence. Number of equivalence of K2CrO4 is equal to number of equivalence of hydrogen, N2H4 is there, okay, and for this we can calculate the N factor value. We have number of equivalence, the formula is what, number of equivalence is equal to moles multiplied by N factor. Equation is ready, so easily we can calculate N factor value. For this we can write down the oxidation number of the same elements on both sides of the equation. Pay attention here. 4 to 8, potassium is what, plus 2. There are 2 potassium, right? So Cr is present in plus 6 oxidation number. Okay, hydrogen attached to nitrogen is non-metal. Hydrogen attached to non-metal always shows plus 1 oxidation number. So 2 nitrogen plus 4 is equal to 0. Then 2 nitrogen is equal to minus 4. Then 1 nitrogen is equal to what, minus 2 is there. 1 nitrogen is present in minus 2 oxidation number. Okay, other side, molecule, neutral molecule 0. OH is what, minus 1. The Cr minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Then Cr is equal to what, minus 1 plus 4 is equal to plus 3. Cr is present in plus 3 oxidation number. Okay, now we compare the oxidation numbers. Okay, pay attention carefully. Cr on the left side plus 6, Cr on the right side plus 3 is there. So difference in oxidation number will give us the N factor value. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. N factor value we got for K2CrO4, that is 3 is there. Very interesting. Okay, now pay attention here. 1 nitrogen is what, minus 2. Then 2 nitrogen will be minus 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 4 is there. This is what, 1 nitrogen 0. Then 2 nitrogen will also be 0. Find the difference in oxidation number. 0 minus 4 is equal to 4 is there. So N factor value we got 4 is there. Now we simply apply the formula. Okay, number of equivalence of K2CrO4 is equal to number of equivalence of N2H4 is there. N2H4 is there. Okay, now pay attention carefully. In this case, moles, we have moles multiplied by N factor value. Moles multiplied by N factor, what is the N factor value? 3 we got. Other side, moles to be calculated, because once we calculate the moles of N2H4 we can convert into mass, and that will be the answer. Multiplied by N factor, what is the N factor value? 4 is there. Okay, now pay attention here. The mass of K2CrO4 is given here. What is the mass given? 24 gram. Okay, mass is given 24 gram, and mass can be converted into mole, because mole is equal to mass by molar mass, and molar mass we can calculate. Okay, so we can calculate molar mass. What is the molar mass? Let's calculate. We have K2 and it is CrO4 is there. 2 potassium, 2 multiplied by each potassium is what, 39. Cr is what, 52 multiplied by 4, each oxygen what, 16 is there. 2 9 ja 18, 2 3 ja 6, 7 is there, 52 will be there, and this is what, 64 is there. Okay, this is 0 7 5 12 will be there, and 12, and this is 13 is there. This is 64 is there. So is equal to 4 is there, 9 is there, 194. Okay, we got 194 gram per mole is there. This is the molar mass. Okay, this is the molar mass. Pay attention carefully. We have the mass of K2CrO4. How much mass? 24 gram is given there. 24 gram. You can see 24 gram is given there. So mass divided by molar mass. Okay. So we have mass divided by molar mass. So what is the mass? We have 24 gram. 24 gram is there. Divided by molar mass. 194 is there. 94 gram per mole is there. Gram per mole. Okay. Gram will cancel. Multiplied by 3 is equal to mole, and multiplied by 4 is there. Okay. So now we have 24 divided by 194, okay, multiplied by 3 is there. Other side we have mole, and multiplied by 4 is there. Okay, so we are getting 4 6 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18, so we get 18 upon 194. 18 upon 194 is there, 18 upon 194 and is equal to mole is there, mole. Okay, this is what we get. If you want to simplify, we can simplify. 2 9 ja 18 is there, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 7 ja 14. Okay, so moles of N2H4 is 9 by 97. Okay, very good. Okay, the last step which can convert mass into mole, and that is the answer. Okay, we can convert mass into mole, and that is the answer we have. Okay, so first of all we can calculate the molar mass of N2H4. N2H4 is there, N2H4. Okay, so 2 nitrogen, each nitrogen is what, 14, plus 4 hydrogen, each hydrogen is what, plus 1. So 14 to the 28 is there, and plus 4 is there, it will give us 32 gram per mole is there, gram per mole. Okay, so we have the mass of N2H4. Mass of hydrogen N2H4 is equal to mole multiplied by molar mass. Mole, how many mole? 9 upon 97 is there, multiplied by molar mass is what, 32 is there. Okay, simplify. 9 2 ja 18 is there, and 9 3 ja 27, 27, and this is what, 27 and 1 28 will be there. This is what, 97 is there. So 288 divided by 97 we are getting. To get 288 divided by 97, now we can divide. Okay, 288 divided by 97, so we have 97 is there. Okay, so 97, 288 is there, 288. Okay, so 9 2 ja 18 will be there, so 2 times we can say, 2 7 ja 14 is there, 2 9 ja 18, 18 19 will be there, subtract, it is 4 is there, and this is what will be 9 will be there. Okay, decimal, then it is 0 is there. Okay, 0, so it is supposed to be at 9 times, 9 7 ja better 2.9 something. Okay, 2.9. okay, 2.9 is there, 2.9. which option is there? Option A is correct. Okay, so mass of approximate value, because this value is starting from 2, you know, so we are having only this is the value is starting 2.9. Okay, you can see confusing options are there. 2.9, this is what, 29 point. Okay, very interesting question. So you can see by using the concept of milliequivalence, first of all we calculated the moles of hydrogen, then we converted moles of hydrogen into mass, and that is what, 2.969 gram.